Hello and welcome to the 2008 Make It Rain Fantasy Football Draft Lottery. Here we have with us coaches representing the various clubs, myself, the commissioner, representing Draft Pick Side Boob. I also have the coach of 11 Men, 1 Cup, Steve Gutenberg Bible, the Narnia Marmots, Sausage-loving sophomores, and wintergreen rhinos. We have with us 10 envelopes that have been randomly numbered, and each of these envelopes is a club that is participating in the 2008 Fantasy Football League. We also have behind me the draft lottery wheel, which will be selecting the order of the envelopes and thus the order of the team's picks in this year's draft. Are we ready to begin?
Woo!
Yeah.
Okay. We'll now be making a selection for the 10th pick. Gentlemen, are you ready?
Crazy spin.
Where will it stop?
Is there already ball down?
Oh, there's a ball. Okay. We have the first ball, envelope I-20, please. Wait, 20? The 10th pick in the 2008 draft goes to the GM, coached by Dave Moran.
Good. I didn't want someone that was here to get these guys to get pick.
Okay,
He's gonna bitch.
we will now go for the 9th pick. Please hand me an envelope I-22. Thank you. The 9th pick goes to Alaskan Monkey Goats.
Who's that?
Coached by Justin Cronk. Please hand me envelope B5. The 8th pick in the NFL draft goes to, again, a coach that is not present, Dry Hump Orgy. Okay. Please hand me envelope B1, I believe. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay. B1. We actually have a coach that's present. The 7th pick goes to Steve Gutenberg Bible.
Moving up.
Congratulations. We're now to the final 6 picks. B7, envelope B7, please. The 6th pick in the 2008 draft goes to Draft Pick Side Boob, coached by myself, Jeff Lansman.
No LT this year. And then we're in the top half. We're in the top half. Top half, dude. Top half.
We're now to the top half of the draft. The 5th spot will be determined by envelope B4. The 5th pick in the draft goes to a man who is on his honeymoon right now, Mr. Cool's team.
You gotta bring this.
The fourth pick goes to B6. Shut your ass. Okay. Karma, gentlemen. 11 men, 1 cup. Shut your dog. Shut your damn dog. Security. All right. One of the most pivotal selections, one of the most pivotal selection spots at third spot. Very important here. I-19. Who will be left out of the top 2 running backs? That will be determined right now. One of these 3 men has a big decision to be made. Wintergreen Rhinos.
Yeah! Larry Johnson. Open up the opposite of what
Okay. The second pick will go to B2, but we will now give the B3 envelope the first place spot. This envelope will be the number 1 draft pick. The coach, the team, with the first pick in the draft goes to the Narnia.
Yeah! Woo!
Congratulations, Narnia Martin.
It won't matter. That's right, number 1 right there.
And of course, the final pick goes to the sausage-loving sophomores. Coached by Greg Naiman. Please put your team on its rightful spot. Okay, the final order is Narnia Marmots,
Yeah!
sausage-loving sophomores, Wintergreen Rhinos, 11 men, 1 cup, Mr. Cool's team, draft pick side boob, Steve Gutenberg Bible, Dry Hump Orgy, Alaskan Monkey Goats, and finally the GM. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for SportsCenter.